It's back again, is it?
He's back.
You bored of Australia, mate?
Why are you smoking in my car?
It sounds like the 20th Century Fox beginning music.
Does it?
See?
I should cut this.
Don't put that in, that was shit. It missed my mouth. That's the most finally horrible combo I've ever tasted.
Oh,
You know,
right,
mate.
get out, that's brilliant.
What?
Perfect park.
Where are we going?
I don't know, just parked here.
We're going to Debenhams.
No, that's perfect. The song ended as we stopped, so I just
Twat it off.
what we doing?
I don't know.
I'm not too hungry, but I'll come with you to get
Hungry.
food.
That's what you said, hungry.
Probably did.
Where do you want to get food from, though?
Well, what are you hungry for?
I don't know. Food.
What food? We got Greg's and Subway
Food.
behind us.
If. No.
There's Sainsbury's
I
over
actually
there.
really fancy a meal deal one nighty.
Let's just walk to Sainsbury's.
Yeah, but Boots meal deals are really good.
Oh, where's Boots?
There!
Right. Fine. Our Boots meal there is really good.
Yeah. Actually, well, maybe. Wow. Why don't you turn it on then? Put that in there. You've seen that video of the guy that he gets his cock, he slaps it on the table and then puts a nail through it and hammers it into the table?
No.
Not what?
Finish.
What?
What?
How many were there?
4.
Jesus.
Got some cheese.
No, I don't want some single slices of cheese. All alone.
I've got 10.
Oh, they're the fake shit as well. That's not real cheese.
Of course it's not real cheese.
That's vile.
8 more to go.
Oh, I'll wrap the sausage roll in a slice of cheese.
Oh, look at that. That's not right.
Really? You gonna do that to me? Hey, let's do like. Look at me.
It's me, Mario!
Wait, no. I wanna see the whole scene play out, bro. Right. Yeah, now I feel different.
It's quite good though.
Oh my god, it's a small bird.
What's my bird?
I don't know.
I had a dream like that.
It flew away.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to eat all of these.
Yeah, you kind of are. I'll be honest with you. Are you putting it all into one?
Yeah.
That's
Making a cheese sandwich just with cheese.
All cheese.
Yeah. Oh, bollocks.
Oh, these suck. They're stale.
Hey,
1st of Feb.
Is it? That's tomorrow actually.
Yep.
Cheese sandwich.
Oh. No, I want to film it.
That's huge. That's 8 pieces of cheese. Oh. Who gave you that?
Yeah, you still got more, bro.
In one. Oh.
Oh, that's violent.
Oh.
Oh no,
Oh, fuck me.
no, no. Why did you buy the cheese slice?
I'm never eating cheese again.
Oh.
Did you ever get like
Sorry.
in a dream?
Wait. That was violent.
Why are you shaking?
Can you put? Give them back to me.
What? What are you trying to do?
Put them in the
You'll
bag.
panic. It's close. Don't be being completely mean.
Get out there and put them in the bag.
No,
You gotta.
he's staying here.
Wait, just think, okay, fine.
He's fine.
Don't know what to smell it.
Twice.
Twice.
Can you manage
Yeah.
twice? I didn't even know you could manage once.
It only takes me about.
Joe, can I have one of these bottles of water?
Yeah. I think they're like 5 months old.
Oh, that's fine.
I didn't even know I had them in
What are
there.
the chances of this car getting broken into if we leave our bags in it?
There's not a single.
Not really a chance. I'm taking mine with me because I like having my bag.
It's just because I have quite a big expensive MacBook in my bag. I know.
You would not go into a Corsa out of these cars. You'd probably do that one.
Nah, you
New
break into a
Yaris.
Corsa. I break into a Corsa.
Thank you.
There's so fucking many of them. It's not like it's a Merc. Like,
That's huge.
no, it's just the bag.
Just the wings.
No, just think
Not
about.
just the bag. It feels the bag.
Like getting into a one seat.
You can't step out of the car to do it.
Nope.
You don't want to.
I'm cold.
Ah.
Nope, I'm cold.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Everything's separate.
Oh, that's gonna take long. Oh, this thing's massive.
This is good, isn't it?
Your hoodie's the best thing.
Can sound come in the front, so it's just like a parrot and a duck in the front seat.
Yeah, it's got to be for the vlog, innit?
Fair enough.
You could just left the doors open for each other.
I know, they're idiots.
We get stopped by police or some shit.
For what? Where?
No, not
I might need
for
to
like
put
just
myself
for
seat
anything else. What's he doing? Oh, my wing mirror's in. When did that happen? Sal, can you push it out?
If I can see it.
Who did that? I can't see if there's someone coming. Okay, camera.
There's a big boy lorry coming.
It's how much more confident he gets in a suit when he can't see his face. You can give yourself a whiplash. Exit her. Is your hair gone more yellow?
At the bottom. It's only because it's that. This was always like this. Excuse me.
Got a massive pack of Maldives.
That was Tom's, but he said it can.
It's the same.
What is with this fucking guy? Why does he have to park there? It's like
Is that can avoid it?
the most awkward. He's gonna get pranked one day, and he's gonna be like, "Oh, that was someone else's fault." But no, it's
looking
yours.
at the quality of the car, I don't think he'd
Probably
care.
cost it about 800 quid. Truthfully,
Someone's door's open.
it's not mine. Oh, the door a bit rattly.
I can't wait for Panic at the Disco. My whole like teenhood is there.
Lucky not a teen still.
My young teenhood. My yeenhood.
To the street where we began. Doing as good as others can, you know.
Could you walk up there, please? I need to get back.
I don't know where it is.
So go past that church. It's just on that main strip. And it's on the, yeah.